Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I am back, and today I am filming a get ready with me. It's gonna be very simple. I haven't been wearing too much makeup. Please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. So just a disclaimer, if you hear a lot of construction, there is construction going on. When is there not construction going on in NYC? I don't know, but I'm gonna take these off because they're also making a lot of noise and I know that might be tedious. So yeah, as I said, I really haven't been wearing too much makeup, especially since I got the vampire facial. So the reason I've been on a crazy hiatus, so-called hiatus, because I'm active on like my other social media. I've been focusing on my couples channel for a little bit. It's called One Big List. If you guys follow me on there, you guys will see that we were actually uploading frequently on that channel. I'm gonna be using my It Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. I think this is a travel size because it looks so small. And this is all I've been using for my eyebrows. But I've been trying to also take care of my skin. Besides working on the couples channel, I've just been trying to take care of my skin. So I haven't been wearing too much makeup at all, except for when I have photo shoots. So that is why I haven't been posting a lot. Also, the videos and the content that I was focusing on did take a toll on my skin. Like, it took a toll on my skin. But if you guys have seen, I did upload a vampire facial vlog. I keep moving my eyebrows while I'm speaking. A vampire facial vlog last week. So you guys will see me get tortured. No, I'm just kidding. You guys will see that was to lift up, or how do you say it? Plump my skin back from the craters, because I did develop craters. I don't know how this happened. Also, I haven't really felt inspired because of my skin. Like, I was just trying to figure it out because I was tired of my skin. Actually started acting up in the beginning of 2016 when I started wearing like heavy makeup, and I started doing all of those evolution videos. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys would have seen those videos. I literally would put makeup on, take it off, put it on, take it off, and I would go on for a whole like 10+ hours because that's how long those videos used to take me. And not to mention, that's the same way I used to work on my Instagram. I used to just keep going, and my skin was like, it was good to me, which is why I took advantage. But yeah, after a while, it was just like, no, this is not right. So I'm just gonna clean up around my eyebrows with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot. I'm obsessed with these pots. I'm gonna take the same concealer and I'm putting that on my lids. If you guys follow me on my other social media, you guys will be up to date. I'm mostly active like almost every day on Twitter, and I don't use Snapchat much anymore after that update, to be honest. I use it every now and then. I try to use it, but it ain't fun. So to prime my face, I'm using this makeup primer spray. I couldn't read for a second. Oh my god. This makeup primer spray, and it's in Jasmine, and it's from JCat Beauty. I don't know. I've just been really loving these sprays. Like, I have this one, and I think the other one is in Rose. I don't know. But it gives you such a nice glow, and I've tried not to use like any silicone primers either, so this is like perfect. So I'm just gonna shower in that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that same concealer and put it under my eyes. So if you guys follow me on Twitter, you know that I've been hinting at for like months now. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. But I've been hinting that I was going to do a new series on my YouTube channel. And I still am going to be doing this. And now I really am going to be doing this. Oh, my setup is different. I know. It's been like how long into the video and I just now mentioned it. I'm probably gonna change it again. I've been hinting that I'm gonna do a series, and I still am gonna do a series, and now I really have the time to focus on it, so I am. I'm not gonna mention it here because I'm gonna let my intro video do that for me when I get that done. But stay tuned because it's gonna be really, really good, especially for all the ladies out there. It is for the ladies out there. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. This is the It Cosmetics Perfect Lighting Radiant Touch Magic Wand, and it is in the color Radiant Neutral. I've just been using this to highlight the center of my face. I'm not using this to conceal anything, just to bring some light into the middle of my face and under my eyes. Do you guys really like focus on, I mean, sometimes I focus on completely getting rid of my dark circles, but for the most part, I'm just like, I mean, if they shine through, let it do what it do. So the next thing I do is I take this It Cosmetics You Sculpted Universal Contouring Palette, and I take the matte highlight, which is this one right here, and I just put some of that under my eyes and all of the places that I highlighted. Oh my god, I went to this MAC event back in, I think it was in December. It was their Snowball event, and there was an artist there that told me that he just never uses powder on, like, when he's doing someone's makeup, he never uses powder. And I'm just like, I was inspired, guys. I really was. But like, he doesn't even use it to set under the eyes. So I really try not to put a lot under my eyes because he said something that I believe is true, which is your under eyes crease no matter what. If a concealer claims that, oh, this is a no creasing concealer and blah blah blah, it's like, oh yeah, right. My under eyes crease no matter what. I've tried tricks and everything, and it just happens. It's natural. I'm not like upset about it at all. As I said, I don't obsess over those things. Like even my laugh lines, like all my foundations always settle into my laugh lines. Makeup is not like a natural thing. Like this is natural, so it's going to happen. You get me? So I would try to, like, if anything, try to minimize it, but I'm not going crazy over it. I'm gonna take this powder by Pacifica. This is so cute, by the way, this packaging. And this is the Perfect Lotus Universal Powder in the shade Light. Put some of this where all the places that I just hit with the matte highlighter, but not too much. This just has a little bit more coverage. Also, I've seen some of you guys say that you want a curly hair update. I'm gonna do one. It's almost been a year since I've been on this journey. It's gonna be a year in April. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's like my birthday. I have like an extra birthday. I'm really excited. But anyways, I've seen a couple of you say you want an update, and the reason why I haven't even talked about my curly hair, besides the fact that I haven't really been posting at all. Okay, so before I even get into this story, I'm gonna use this Girlactic Luminous Face Powder in medium, and let me tell you guys, this has been my holy grail. Like the no makeup, well, not really. Well, for this no makeup look, this has been my holy grail. I use this all over my face. Sometimes I look like a grease monkey, but I like it. It's cool. I'm with it. It's fine. The reason why I haven't really updated all my hair is because I messed it up. My hair was doing really, really good. If you guys go back to like my current favorites video that I did last year, or my MAC PR unboxing, whatever it was, you guys will see that my curls looked really nice, right? I mean, compared to what it was, they looked really good. Then I was supposed to work with this company, and it was hair dyeing. So I went and I bleached my whole head. And if you guys are natural, you guys, even if you guys aren't natural, you know that bleach messes up your hair, right? I never cared. I was like, whatever. My hair always bounces back, which it does. I mean, the same thing I did to my skin, right? It's fine, it bounces back. So I did that, and I was able to get my waves, like when I had the blonde, you can see that my curls just kind of went from curly, it's almost getting like really curly, to curly wavy when I had blonde hair. And then I put in a purple, which the purple actually brought my curls a little bit more back to life. I'm not even gonna lie. It really did. But then after the purple, oh, because I use a temporary dye. That's why they came back to life. Duh. That's the temporary like hair colors that they have, like Manic Panic, Adore, I forgot the name. But those are actually really okay for your hair. They don't do as much damage as the box dyes, the ones that have ammonia and all of that extra crap in it. So that's what I did. This is what I have in my hair now, is a black dye, a black box dye. That took my hair back. It actually taught me how bad box dyes are. So, I mean, I guess it was meant for that to happen, and now I'm gonna take it a lot easier on my hair because now I care more about my curls than I did in the past, of course. My curls are now coming back because I just got a diva cut like 2 weeks ago or a week and a half ago. We're dealing with day 3 hair here though, so it's a lot frizzier than it should be. So I'm gonna go back to this It Cosmetics number 4 brush, and I'm gonna use the light contour shade, which is this one right here, this metal shade, metal. I'm gonna take this medium contour shade and I'm gonna use my Real Techniques contour brush. It's like faded because I use it so much. I'm gonna use a little bit of blush today, and I'm just gonna use this one from Rebecca Stella. I think the name just faded off. And this is in the shade Misty Rose, and I'm gonna use the same number 4 brush from It Cosmetics. I multitask with my brushes. I feel like sometimes when you do that, it ends up blending everything together for you. Okay, this is beat up, okay guys, but I'm gonna take this middle shade right here, the one that I hit pan on, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in my crease. So now I'm gonna use mascara. Sometimes I use one of these, sometimes I use them both. This one is from Pacifica, and it is the the Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara, and then this one is It Cosmetics Superhero. I'm gonna start off with the Pacifica. Oh, you guys, I've also been looking into like organic makeup brands. So you guys can, if you guys have tried any, leave them in the comments down below. So I'm just gonna take the primer spray again. I use it as a setting spray in a way. And I'm just gonna spray my entire face to kind of melt all those powders in, and before I use highlight. This stuff smells so good, and I love the ingredients in it. That's mostly what drew me to it. I'm gonna use this highlight and glow brush from Royal and Langnickel, and I'm gonna be using my Hyper Real Glow by MAC Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna go in with Light of the Party and Rosy Glow, these two, and I'm gonna highlight my cheeks. So I'm just gonna use the It Cosmetics Brow Power Pomade to set my eyebrows. And now, last but not least, I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick, and this one is from Girlactic. I love this baby, and this one is Posh. I'm also obsessed with Divine, but I don't know where it's at. I think I have it in one of my purses somewhere. Everyday chilled out makeup. That might have been a lot, honestly. I can still go less than that. I really can. But I wanted to add a little bit, whatever. That was my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more get ready with me's and, like, you know, chit chat get ready with me's. I'll be happy to do them. It's actually a lot of fun doing my makeup while having conversations. Like, well, it's a one-way conversation, but you get me. But if you guys want to see more of these videos, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.